Welcome to Orchard House, a stunning contemporary property located in the picturesque village of Long Sutton in Somerset. This property spans over 5,000 square foot of accommodation, laid out over 3 floors. The home is the perfect blend of style, sophistication and quality. Sat within just under an acre of beautifully landscaped gardens, Orchard House offers exceptional accommodation, secure gated parking and a spacious garage with a room on top currently utilised as a studio. The architectural design, crafted by Boone Brown Architects, showcases a modern aesthetic with a mix of rendered and cedar-clad elevations, all framed by an abundance of glass. This really is an impressive entrance hall, with this fabulous central staircase, along with this polished concrete flooring, leading you into the main living space. I can't wait to see what the rest of this house has in store. This well-placed window already gives you a glimpse to the luxury living, kitchen and dining area. This open-plan living area, situated in the heart of the home, is flooded with natural light due to the use of these sliding glass window doors opening up onto the patio and garden space. Whether you're watching a movie with family or enjoying a game of pool, this property is made for entertaining. The kitchen is equipped to the highest standards with quality wall and base units, featuring integrated appliances such as a Bosch dishwasher, a coffee machine and a range of ovens, along with a full height fridge, Liebherr freezer and an additional drinks fridge. I love these beautiful quartz work surfaces. There is also a cooker tap, along with this breakfast bar and a separate dining space. This really is a fantastic family home due to the living spaces connecting so well to each other. This feature Faber fireplace would be so cosy during the winter months. I can just imagine sitting here watching the TV while enjoying the stunning rural views onto the garden. Let's head outside because look at this beautiful space, which is fantastic for more entertaining. It's also such a sun trap with these beautiful rural views. It really is so tranquil. After a day of sunbathing, I can just imagine enjoying a cocktail in this sunken Japanese seating area. This is a spacious garden, a fantastic place for kids to play, along with this hedging, which creates even a further sense of privacy. There is even a kitchenette outside with a pizza oven. Back inside the home, adjoining the main living area, is a separate snug or study, and there are smart fitted cupboards with desk space within them. There is also a useful utility room. Back into the hallway, you'll find a door taking you into a fully equipped home gym and studio, offering a perfect retreat for fitness enthusiasts while still being connected to the family with the well-placed windows looking onto another living area. Adjacent to the gym is this second living area with these beautiful walnut floorboards, along with these stunning recessed niches with clever lighting perfect for showcasing art. This living area also has a Faber glass fire. I really think this is a brilliant feature as it can be viewed from this entrance hall and the living space. Let's head upstairs where the accommodation of this home continues to impress. The principal suite is situated directly above the open plan living area, meaning that you get these phenomenal views onto the garden space. I can just picture myself waking up to these very tranquil views. What a good night's sleep that would be. This beautiful ensuite bathroom is another standout feature of this property, with this fabulous oval bath along with this glazed roof which allows so much natural light to flood through. Perfect for relaxing in the bath or walk-in shower when it's shine or rain. Across the hallway is another spacious double bedroom. This actually feels like a principal suite too, because it's just so vast in size. There is also a dressing room fitted with plenty of storage space. This bedroom offers yet another luxurious bathroom with this walk-in shower and a bath, not to mention these floor-to-ceiling marble tiles. On this level, there is another double bedroom displaying fantastic architecture with a well-placed feature window looking onto the garden. The bedroom also has a stylish ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. This home just keeps on giving. Let's head up to the top floor. On this level, you'll find 2 additional double bedrooms as well as a wet room. The rooms are all connected by this stunning glass walkway. This is such a cool feature. There is also a versatile living area with striking vaulted ceilings, further adding to the feeling of spaciousness. This could also serve as a 6th bedroom. Orchard House is not just a perfect family home, it's a lifestyle made for families. In the village, just a short drive away, you'll find the 18-hole golf course and the Trackman driving range, along with high-end facilities. The highly regarded Devonshire Gastropub, scenic country walks, a livery yard, and excellent state and independent schools like Millfield and Hazelgrove are within easy reach. At the centre of the village is the Green, which is surrounded by a splendid 16th century church and other interesting listed buildings, making Long Sutton one of the most attractive villages in the county. Somerton is just a short drive away with further shops and pubs, along with Clark's Village located in street with plenty of designer shops. Don't miss out on the opportunity to purchase this exceptional property.